Alright, this is going to be a quick video on some tile and natural stone. I'm going to start off with kind of the three main types of tile that we talked about. The first one being ceramic. These are both examples of ceramic tile. These are both a glazed ceramic. So you can kind of see that the glaze kind of sits on top of the clay on the tile here. As I mentioned in the presentation, they can come in a bunch of different shapes, colors, sizes. So these are just a couple examples. And just an FYI with tile too, red tiles tend to be the most expensive because of the pigments in these tiles are the most rare. On the back of this one shows some other colors that are available, as well as some decorative finishes that are available on this ceramic tile. Next, we're going to look at porcelain tile. These are both a couple examples of porcelain tile. So this one has a kind of a more stone look finish on it, as well as some embossed features to give it a more realistic look. But you can see on the back that this is not a natural material, that it's actually manufactured. So this is an example of porcelain. And then this one is a little bit more of just a speckled look, a little bit more basic. These can come in a bunch of different colors. This one, or sizes, this one is an 8x8 by Kate Lowe tile. There's porcelain tile. And then kind of the last category of tile is quarry tile. So quarry tile is typically used in commercial kitchens. It's typically either this color or the red color that you would see like on the stairs of Applied Arts. These are almost always in a 6x6 format, and you can see on the back they have this kind of ribbed pattern to them. They're also thicker than porcelain or ceramic tiles. So those are the three kind of basic types of tile. And then there's also like the mosaic and glass tiles that are more decorative. So I've got a bunch of different types here that I'm just going to lay out so you can see all the different types they can come in. These can be glass, they can be stone, ceramic, they can be a mix of all of those. This one's kind of a cool, just like more art tile. This one is actually a porcelain, just with a unique glaze on it. This is known as a penny round tile. So these little circles, those are referred to as penny rounds. These ones on the bottom here have some natural tumbled marble mixed in with some frosted glass. You can see the glass in this one too. This one has some frosted glass and clear glass just to give it a little texture difference. And this one is just all the marble. It's got some nice texture there. This one is a polished stone, so it doesn't have the texture like the last one does. It's just all smooth, which sometimes can make it a little bit easier for cleaning. So you want to think about that when you're specifying your tile. This one is a ceramic. Just some more stone here. You can get some pretty fun, unique tiles with the mosaics. You can also just get some like decorative, so this is like a long linear glass tile, so this could be like a decorative strip that you put in between other tiles. Or you can even get some really kind of fancy like mother of pearl type finished tiles here. These ones are sticking together, but you get the idea. So I'll kind of cover the different tiles you can specify. And getting into natural stone, I have a few examples here, not every type of stone here, but I have some. So here are a couple examples of granite. And this is actually a granite tile. These ones are an actual granite slab. You can see that they're obviously thicker than a tile, so this would be for a countertop. You can see the stone goes all the way through. And this is another granite, so they can come in lots of different colors. And then we have some slate here as well. So in the presentation, I talked about how slate has a very kind of textural finish, and that it can actually shed. So when I say it can shed, like these little pieces here can kind of flake off, as you're kind of seeing happening right now. So slate has very distinct texture to it. You can see some of the different colors. The pigment tends to vary quite a bit, so when you specify slate, you'd want to order a lot of different samples so you can see the variation. And lastly, just a couple other natural stones. So this one is actually a tumbled marble. So a little bit more of a pink looking marble, not the white Carrara that you're probably accustomed to seeing. And then these are both of the travertine variety. So you can see that they've got a little bit more of a stone texture to them. And that is tile and stone for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.